Hello, today I will show you how to build a Docker image for the Blazor.NET A and then run it in the Docker window container in the local PC. So we need to install the Docker desktop. Let's open the Visual Studio 2022. File new, we create a Blazor .NET Server project. So click on the Blazor web app. Next, we call the Blazor app. Next, we use .NET 8.0 server side, and then everything default, and then create. Control F5 to run the project. Make sure it works. Yeah, it looks good. So next thing we need to do is publish the project. Click on publish. We publish into the folder. I will publish into my D drive. And then click on close. And then we need to click on more action. Edit. We use the Win64. We enable the ready to run and delete all the existing file. So save and then publish. Open up the folder. Next thing, we have to download the .NET 8 runtime. Open the browser. Type Google. Click on the first link. Since we use a window container, so we need to download the hosting bundle. Click on it. It start download. So if a download not start, you can click on the link here. So we have to wait for a few seconds. Now download is complete. We close the browser and copy the file to here. Now we need to create a Docker file. Right click, new, select the text document. We need to rename it to Docker file. Open it up with the notepad. For save in time, I already create Docker file. We copy and paste the content here. We will use the Windows server code as a base image here. So this line is to initial the PowerShell. And then next slide, we have to install the IIS. And then we have to copy all the file here to the www root folder. And then we need to install the .NET runtime, which we downloaded before. Once after we install it, we need to delete it. And then finally, we need to set up the entry point, which is the Blazor app DLL here. So save. Close the file. Now we need to build this Docker file. Open up the Windows command prompt. We have to change the directory and point to the same folder. We need to use the command line docker build to build the image. So here's an image name. We can use any name we want, but we need to be a lowercase. So, and the version number, hit enter. So if you are first time pull this base image, it will take a little bit time to download. Now we are trying to install the .NET runtime. It will take couple minutes. We will come back later. Finally, it's already done. So we go to the Docker desktop. You will see the new image come up. So Blazor app version 1. So next thing, we need to run this image and test in our local PC. So we will use a command line docker run to run the image. We need to change the port number to 8000 and then type the image name Blazor app version 1. Hit enter. Yeah, now it's successfully run it, and then you will click on the container. You will see the new container build up. So click on the small icon to open up the browser. Our application open up. Click on the counter. Click. You will see the current count increase. Click on the weather. It will show the grid. Look like everything okay. The performance is good. In the next video, I will push this image into the Amazon ECR and then deploy it into the ECS Fargate. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my video. Thank you. Bye bye.